chased, I saw a tower, I climbed, end of story.
Telling the truth?
Yes.
Wow, cat, that was weird.
What did you do?
Wow.
Oh, so what's his paws?
Wow.
It's Torian.
He's so cute.
Okay.
You're watching the movie with the cat.
They're both.
I'm prepared to offer you a deal.
Deal?
Look this way. Do you know what
He's
these
an
are?
aerobic king.
You mean the lantern thing they do for the princess?
I knew that they meant stuff.
Oh, sweet!
Tomorrow evening, they
You got
will
that
light
on
the
tape,
night
right?
sky
I got the bottom of it. I missed the top.
will act as my guide.
Wicked
Take
fast.
these lanterns and return me home safely.
Definitely an
Then,
aerobic cat.
and only then will I return your satchel to you. That is my deal.
Yeah. No can do. Unfortunately, the kingdom and I aren't exactly simpatico at the moment, so I won't be taking you anywhere.
Something brought you here, fleeing lion. Call it what you will, fate, destiny.
A horse.
So I have made a decision to trust
A
you.
horrible decision.
But trust me when I tell you this. You can tear this tower apart brick by brick, but without my help, you will never find your precious satchel.
Let me just get this straight. I take you to see the lanterns, bring you back home, and you'll give me back my satchel?
I promise. And when I promise something, I never, ever break that promise. Ever.
Pascal.
All right, listen, I didn't want to have to do this, but you leave me no choice. Here comes the small bit.
That's stupid more than anything.
This is kind of an off day for me. This doesn't mean anything.
Whoa!
I'll take you to see the
You just went
lanterns.
into the wall. I think so.
Yes, he did.
My small bit.